Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It looks like Santa came. Oh my goodness. What is it? What is that?
I don't know. Who is this?
Is that Celestia?
I think it is. She came for crown.
Oh, how cool.
She has wings too.
It's a pony castle.
Does this come on? I don't think so. Hey, it does. What is this?
It's like the collar.
Look, it came with Spike.
Oh, hey, Spike.
He doesn't like water.
He doesn't?
Because I found water.
Well, what else is out there?
It has a tail. Uh-oh. It has some sesame.
Look at that red bag. That says it's from the North Pole. It has your name on it. Look at that. Ah! I wonder what's in there.
I want to see. Something big. Huh? I see something that says second.
Whoa.
What else is there anything else or is that all?
I'll open it.
Here, I'll open it. Okay.
It is hard. Get on this side.
Well, we're working hard on this thing. Della's working hard.
Well, we open everything. Let's look and see what all you got.
Yeah.
We'll start digging into them in a minute.
Let's look around. Let's look around something. Get it out.
Oh!
Whoa, dude.
Peppa!
New Peppa book? Awesome. Awesome.
I told you I'll get Mexican. What's that? Oh. Things open out.
Yeah.
Things open out. What is it?
The city. That looks like a shotgun game, it says. Cool.
Hey, oh, what's inside?
No. No, this looks like where you put some shotgun. And then more. What is that?
Wow.
You like that?
Yeah.
Whoa. What does it say? It's an ice cream truck.
Look at this.
Oh my goodness, what is that?
A frozen.
Woo!
They look.
Oh my goodness.
It's frozen.
That's frozen karaoke. You know what karaoke is?
What?
That's what that is down there.
That's a frozen singing machine where you get to sing.
You get to sing along into a microphone.
Did you check your stockings?
Not yet. Let's take it there. Take it there.
Sure. My goodness, Della.
This one's here.
Ooh, neat. He filled both of your stockings.
Santa.
So silly.
This one's only for boys. This one's for boys.
Why? It looks like there's many on there.
I guess it is.
Oh,
This one's for girls.
good.
This one's another Hello Kitty.
Oh,
Yay!
oh my goodness.
A missing dress.
It's an extra dress.
Another Rapunzel.
Oh,
That's weird.
that is weird. Santa Claus must not known you had a Rapunzel. That's okay.
I know Anna. That's funny.
Is that a cream pie?
He got you some OCTs.
Gee, must have known you love those things. Ooh, it looks like some makeup.
Ooh.
Whoa.
That's funny. Another. Oh, that's a cool pie.
Some fruit snacks.
Got you some fruit snacks.
So one more finger. Peek it out.
Snacks.
More.
No more fruit snacks.
That's a purple stuff. That was from the other side.
Whoa, look at that thing.
You know what that is, Dell?
It's a blind bag.
Uh-huh.
It has all the text.
Oh, that's a melodica.
What? This?
No, that's what you just took out and threw on the floor.
The flute.
It's an instrument.
Cream pie. That's weird. Yay!
Ooh, paint.
Another piece left. This doesn't
What was in that? What was that little bear backpack thing? You should open it. There's something in there.
feel something.
You do. What is that? Let me see. Oh, Della, these are gift cards to Build-A-Bear Workshop.
That means you can go in there and build whatever bear you want to.
Let me
Hey.
see, I'll put it back in there. That means you can go in and we'll build an animal. Awesome, Santa. He gave you 2 of them. Wow.
Let's
Two of them.
got a bunch of these.
Wow, look at all the stuff Della's got. Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
good. Merry Christmas, D.
You must have been good. Santa brought you all kind of stuff. This is amazing.
Yeah, I'm gonna put Cinderella and Cinderella.